Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you want to remove anything from an image very neatly and very easily, then you are at the right place. Stay connected, stay tuned till the end, and I will show you how you can do this easily. So I have downloaded the image and I will use this image and will show you how you can convert this into this image. So for that I will use stamp tool, but it's not so easy for you to just go and use the stamp tool. There are some rules and regulations you must follow, so let's get into it. I will first of all turn these these layers off. Yes, so here is my image. I have got my image, and now I have to remove this cup from this table. But first of all I have to keep in view that there is a blur in the background and there is focused glass in front of us. We have to remove this glass and keep that blur in the background with this table. So for that, first of all I will remove this glass from the background. I will use stamp tool. You can find it on the toolbar. It's below the brush tool in my case. It may be anything else on different software versions, so you can find it. So I will right click on it and you can see there are two options. I will go for clone stamp tool. Now you can see it is not allowing me to remove this glass with stamp tool. The reason is that I have a smart object, and the stamp tool or some other tools cannot be applied on smart objects. So for that I will go to the layer and I will click on rasterize. First of all I will create a copy of it. Yes, here it is, and now I will turn off the copy or the original one, any one of this. Now what I will do, I will select the clone stamp tool, and I will select any area from the table and I will clone it with the glass. So for that I will first of all resize my brush for more precision. So you can see here is my tool and I will press left square brace button on the keyboard and you can see it's getting small. So first of all, to select any stamp from the image, what you have to do is to press alt key and click on the part you want to select, and I click on this. So my part is now selected and you can see, and now I can clone it wherever I want. So I will start cloning it and you can see, okay, so here you can see this line is also selected in the clone stamp. So I will remove it lately, but for now I will keep it in the design or in the image. Now I will remove the whole glass using this stamp tool, and it's easy, it's not that difficult. Just left click and keep going. Don't worry for this stuff that's going out of the table. I will show you how you can delete it lately. So also I missed one thing, that you have to keep the settings to flow 100% and the sample will be current layer. Now you can see I have removed the glass, but there is the line that I don't want in the design or in the image. So for this I will again go to I will again select any of the pattern of the table. So for that again click press alt and click on the table, and now again I will clone it. Here you can see I am able to remove this. Now I will take a part of blurred table and I will clone it again, and here you can see there is a little mm, interruption there between the blur and the clear one, so I will again select the blur and I will do this. So now I will press Ctrl 0 and you can see my glass has disappeared. So I will show you. Here was my before and here is my after. So here you can see we can adjust the image according to our original one, because there is little stuff going out of the table there and a little blur is not working good here. So I will show you how you can adjust it, and also the colors are a little different. So first of all I will go and adjust this part. For that, first of all let's turn this off, and then I will move to my object image. And now what I will do is I will go to pen tool and I will create a selection of the border where I have the interruption. Now here you can see I wanted this pen border or pen anchor a little bit down. So for this I will press Ctrl and again click on the anchor, and while holding the click I will place it to my destined point. Here it is, and now I will close the selection. Okay, so now I will right click on it and make selection. Okay, so now I can adjust my selection according to my needs. Wait, I have pressed down arrow, and now what I will do is I will take the clone stamp tool and I will select this background and I will clone it. Now I will press Ctrl D and you can see that the part that was going out of the table is gone and we have the smooth table. Now you can see how easy it was to remove any object from the image. So that's all from today. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. There's a lot more coming in future and I hope you will also like that stuff too, because I will be teaching different kind of techniques and tools by using which you can save your time and work on Adobe Photoshop. So that's all from today from my side. Let's see you on the other side. Until then, bye bye.